So guys, in this course we will learn how to automate WhatsApp. You can see over here, we cannot see the proper coding over here because we will learn that in our videos. So anyway, so if you run the first cell, it will open a Chrome browser, and then it will ask you to scan the QR code for login, and then obviously you will scan the QR code, and after scanning the QR code it will ask the photos which you want to pass. Obviously you can remove that section as well, but for me I'll just paste a path where the photo is actually located, and then it will ask for a message which you want to send for around 1 time, 2 time, 50 times, 1000 times, 2000 times, whatever you want. We can obviously modify that later on. And anyways, let me just write over here, WhatsApp automation tutorial. Okay, that's it. Now if I run the second cell, it will send the message that is a WhatsApp automation tutorial for 50 times. Okay, so now let's see that if I run this second cell, you can see it is sending the message automatically for 50 times, right? And let it be finish. Well, yeah, now all the messages are now sent, and now if I just run the third cell, it will send the image or video, whatever you choose. For now I choose the image. You can see we choose this path. Actually this is a .jpg file, so that is the image. And now if I run it, you can see it choose the photo and it send the photo automatically, right? So in this whole course we will learn how to do this kind of things. You can modify that later on according to your choice, and obviously if you learn the basic things you can go into the advanced levels. Okay.